Hear this right now, because this is definitely going to change your life for good, right? Making money online is not as difficult as you think. Did you get that? Making money online in 2026 is not as difficult as you think. Some of you think that before you can make money online, you need to be techie, you need to have a laptop, you need to have the latest iPhone 17, you need to da. Nah. I said, nah, you don't need any of those. Making money online is quite easy. The problem is that you don't know how to go about it, and that's why you have me on here. Welcome, guys, to the channel. Onye Onwura here again. And in this video, I want to share with you all the best ways that you can use to make money for yourself online this 2026. Now, I need you to hear this clearly. Come forward. For you to make money online, you need to be obsessed with solving problems. Let me take that again. For you to make money online, you need to be obsessed with solving problems. Right. Let's take a pause and then let it sink. Did you get that? People are not going to come online and start giving you money. Nah. I know when you hear people say, I made so amount online, I made this money online in 1 week, some of you think, oh, it's a lie, that's not possible. How would she say she's making this sum of money online with just her phone? But let me shock you, it is overly possible. If there's any English like that, it is so possible. If you want to start making money online fast, you need to ask yourself, what problem can I solve right now? What problem can I solve? See, people are not ready to buy products. People are ready to buy solutions. People are ready to buy value. People are ready to buy answers. So, what problem can you solve? What solution do you have? What value do you have? That is where the money is right now. That is where the money is right now. If you want to make money online, solving problems should be your best friend. It should be your G. Solving people's problem. People are selfish. It is natural. They don't care about you. They don't care about what it is you're going through. They care about themselves. I care about myself. So if you're ready to give me, solutions to the whatever be the thing I am facing right now, I will pay you for it. That is how it works. So how can you do this? How can you achieve this? How can you solve problems in order to make money? Method number 1, start solving people's problem through video content. Let me explain. You can start solving people's problem through video content, which in general we call content creation. But now your content is not just anyhow kind of content. It is a content that is geared towards solving problem that people have faced. That is why you hear people telling you need to pick a niche. You need to pick a niche. Now I want to simplify that. Think about that problem you can solve. Let me give you again a practical example. I understand social media marketing. I understand how to sell online. People are faced with this problem. People import goods and they are struggling with how to sell this product online. They're struggling with how can I sell out this product so I can get money to buy more again. They don't know how to do it. That is where I come in. That is the problem I can solve for you. So what do? I started creating content, showing people how to sell on Instagram, how to sell on Facebook, how to run sponsored ad, the right strategy to use. And what do you think is happening? People are watching my videos. People are seeing me as an authority in this field, because when they apply my strategies, when they apply the method I explain in my videos, they actually get solutions, they actually get answers. Now, when I decide that, I want to sell something, I want to sell a digital product that is related to that problem I'm solving, people easily buy because they already see me as an authority, because they already see me as somebody that's always bringing solution. They are buying other things I sell. But where did it all started from? From my free video content, from my free videos I post on YouTube. What am I saying in essence? Start solving problems through video content. You can post this video content on YouTube if they are long form videos. You can post this video content on Instagram. on Facebook. I mean, Facebook is not really a place of, solving problem like that. There is a way Facebook work, but if you really want to go far, solving problem or, creating content that are geared towards solutions, that are geared towards how to DIYs, YouTube is your go-to. YouTube is your go-to. Why? Because YouTube is a search engine. I need you to digest this. The way you see people going to Google to search for things, the same way they come onto YouTube and they're searching for stuff. Because YouTube is a search engine. One good thing about YouTube is that it is not just a place where you write article and post. It is where you show practical videos. Some people don't really know how to read stuff and grab it. They really want to see it firsthand. That is why they come on YouTube. That's why they leave Google, they leave ChatGPT, AI. They prefer coming to YouTube to watch that video. For instance, now let's say I want to cook a wedu soup for the very first time. I don't know how to do it. If I go onto Google and I search how to cook a wedu soup, I will see different articles, and then somehow you'll be confused. What is the quantity of ingredients of this? You will be confused. But when you come on YouTube, because YouTube is a video based platform, you will see practical videos that will show you step-by-step process how to cook a wedu soup. Do you understand what I'm trying to say here? So you can actually in fact, one of the best way for you to make money online is to solve problem through video content. And guys, let me tell you that when you start posting videos on YouTube, your ways of making money, your streams of income from that video is a lot. One, you can make money through actual revenue here on YouTube. YouTube pays its creator, right? That is one. That is the one that most people know. But aside that, you can equally make money through what? You can make money through brand collaboration. When you're able to build your page, you can make money through what? Brand collaboration. Again, let me use that example of ewedu. You're cooking ewedu, and let's say for the seasoning, you're using Maggi cube. Now, because you're getting lots of traffic on that video, what are they called? This Maggi company, they can decide to collaborate with you to promote their products, and then they pay you for it. That is what? Brand collaboration. You can do that as someone that posts videos on YouTube. You can decide to sell your digital products or even your physical product. Let me use Chef T as an example. You know Chef T? Chef T currently, from her YouTube, she sells her what is it called? Her recipe book, which is a digital product. She also has it as hardcover if you want it, right? Why is she able to do this? Because she already have that audience. She already has that community that she has built for herself over the years here on YouTube. She already have people that see her as an authority when it comes to cooking, when it comes to, different kinds of meals. She is an authority here on YouTube. People know her. In fact, I think she has over 1 million subscribers. So you can actually imagine Chef T. Now, recently, Chef T launched her sponge product, sponge for washing dishes. A very, very good product that every household needs. And guess what? She's making sales. What am I trying to say? Solve a problem. Use videos to solve a problem. Gain grants as an authority in that particular field. Now, there are problems that you have solved for yourself. Think about it. You have a lot. Things that you have done for yourself that people are still struggling with. You can actually document your process. How you were able to move from, what example can I do? Okay, how you're able to lose 20 pounds, 20 kg. Document that process. People are struggling with that. Tell them what you did. Practical. Tell them what you did. Post it as a video content. Divide it. People will watch your videos. They would see you as their helper, in quotes, right? They will see you as somebody that is helping them, and they would love you for that. Whenever you come up with, oh, now I want to sell a product to you guys, maybe a physical product, like maybe a skipping rope that is customized, however you want to do it, they will buy from you because they trust that this is something you are good at. You're definitely going to deliver quality and value. You're going to give them value for their money. This is one of the best way to make money online. to build yourself as an authority in a particular field. Solve a problem. Again, I repeat, be obsessed. Let every of your thinking be, how can I solve a problem? What problems can I solve? What are people struggling with that I can actually solve? There was a time I thought about, oh, people are struggling with paying Chinese suppliers through Alipay. What other solutions can I bring? Because that is really going to be a breakthrough for people that want to go into importation from China and they don't have a verified Alipay account. Luckily, we have another beautiful method that you can use to pay without worrying about getting Alipay at all. And people are finding this so interesting. People that registered for our last training, this was even the highlight of the whole training for them. They were able to pay conveniently from their space without worrying about Alipay or whatever. So what solutions can you prefer to be? What solution do you bring to the table? That is how to make money online. Method number 2, if you want to sell physical products, again, it is what problem can you solve? Physical problem. What products can you sell that solves a specific or a particular problem? I'm going to give you a practical example. I have a fan on here. This fan I have on here is a fan that uses power. It uses electricity. If this electricity or this power should go off, this fan will go off and I'll start sweating. What do you think is the solution for this? Of course, that's why we have solar and rechargeable fans. Did you get that? So this is now a solution that even if there is no power, even if there is no electricity, I can actually have a fan here if I have the rechargeable fan or the fan that uses solar, that has a panel I can connect outside, and the whole place will become conducive again. This is a product that does what? That is solving a problem. This is a product that people are going to get value from. Another good example, I can actually create content here because there is power, because there is electricity. What if the power goes off and everywhere becomes dark? What other alternative do I have? That was when people started selling this what is it called, this power station. I have one down here. They started selling what? Power stations that can help me create content like this. I can use it to power my ring light, my panel, and create content. There are solar bulbs. You go to some people's store, you see solar bulb, they tell you it is not electricity, it is solar bulbs they are using, and it is working fine. They are using it in their store and their whole place is bright. These are what? Problem solving products. These are products that gives value. These are products that people will buy because they are going to get value from it. Not because they want to buy the product actually. I have fan. Why should I go for another fan? Why should I go for a solar fan? It is because of the value I'm going to get from it. Do you understand? It's because of the solution I'm going to get from it. That's why I'm buying it. Not because I need fan. I do have fan here. Do you understand what I'm saying? So any product you want to sell in 2026, ask yourself, what value am I bringing to the table? What problem is this particular product solving? People are selling fibrous shrinking tea. I don't know if it works, but those kind of stuff are good products that are actually solving problems. People are selling green tea, steaming coffee, a whole lot. Do you get what I'm saying? So think of products that solves problem. There are a lot of them. Go on 1688, go on Alibaba, go on Amazon. You will see a lot of them where you can get inspirations from. Don't just go into a business or start selling a product because you see Mr. A selling that product and that product is doing well. You might bring that product and it will not do well for you. In everything you do, try to find purpose. Guys, you understand what I'm saying? I know you get what I'm saying. Sell solution, not product. That's why I told people in my arts mastery class, people that paid for my arts mastery class, whenever you want to run ad, because if you're selling this product, say you're selling online, you don't just come and tell people, oh, buy solar fan, this fan will do this fan is beautiful, this fan is a standard fan. No, people will not buy that fan. You need to first of all tell them why they need to buy this fan. Why? What is the why? What is the solution that this fan is bringing? What is the value they're going to get when they buy this one. That is what people want to buy. They don't want to buy products. They want to buy answers. They want to buy solution. They want to buy value. So that when you're running your ads for this product, you know how to position it. Sometimes the reason why A is selling and B is not selling, it's not because B doesn't sell good products or because the quality of B is not good. It's because of the way you market. I mean, we're going to do marketing again in another video, but understand this basis. Sell solution online and you'll see yourself cashing out daily. Hope you've gotten value from this video. And if you want to start solving problems through video content, you need to know how to create a YouTube channel, and I have a video, a well-detailed video on that will teach you practically, hands-on practical, how to create a YouTube channel the right way. There's a video right now on your screen. I need you to click on it. Go watch this video. You would know how to go about it. Start posting solutions, start posting answers. You see yourself making money. I love you.